So does that accidental death and dismemberment, does that work for me too?
Yes.
It does?
Yes, I actually have you covered too.
Is it for just this reason? When you decide to let your wife use a table saw? Is this a table saw?
This is a table saw. Good job.
Good, so at least I'll cut my finger off knowing what chopped my finger off. Oh my gosh, I am so scared right now. If I get this wrong... Oh my god. I'm gonna turn it on now. It's this thing, right?
All right, now let's see how close you got to your line.
Oh, was this line supposed to be there still? I thought I just cut the line off. Did I do it wrong? I did it wrong.
There's no line there.
Oh, well, I thought you were supposed to, like, touch the line. Did I do it wrong?
It's okay.
Oh, I did it wrong? Look, the line's gone, though. I demolished the line.
Yeah, the line's not supposed to be gone, though.
Whoops, sorry. But I cut it.
Now you get to do another one.